are here in Rwanda for a program of 3 days working with local businesses. We actually visit most 7 out of 10 companies, so that we already had a good idea about what they are doing, how they operate. The focus of this project this time is on circular economy, especially in the construction sector.
Uyu mwanya turiho twiga turi kureba ku bijyanye na circular economy. Bese ubukungu bwizengurukamo ni gute tutapfusha ubusa ibintu by'ibisigazwa cyangwa se bya bintu biri aho ngaho bidukikije biri aho hantu tukabibyaza umusaruro uko byabaga byandaga biteye umwanda tugomba kwishakamo igisubizo.
The company I'm coaching is the company who makes furniture out of concrete. They are two brilliant guys. They are more circular. They think more how can we reuse them.
Our program itself, it is in the circularity line. RCGF brand, it is aiming of providing lasting durable material on the market. And this product will be usable generation by generation. And we are adding value on the natural resources, which is not having any impact to the environment. Our products are ecological in process and product itself. Through this program, we hope to learn more about the production line on how we can meet the needs of this circularity context and be the key players in the program.
There's a lot of attention on circular economy and mainly also on the construction sector, but there's still a long way to go. We already have some expertise and they're willing to share that. These are businesses that still have a way to go to become really strong, profitable businesses. But of course that also gives the opportunity to work now on the sustainability of the business because they still need to grow, they need to scale. There is room to work on these aspects of sustainability.
My name is Chris Slats. I'm the CEO of ENABEL Limburg. And ENABEL Limburg is the organization that unifies every employer in the construction industry in Limburg. And we're here together this week. We were invited by POM Limburg and OVO from the Belgian construction industry for the partners that we meet here in Kigali who also work in the construction industry. Perhaps we can help them in their business, but also how can they help us with fresh new ideas that perhaps we don't see or we've forgotten, and how we can help our construction firms in Belgium with their ideas.
Iyi porogaramu yarashimishije cyane kubera ko yajemo abantu bose batandukanye kandi bakeneye kugira ngo tubavane mu bumenyi budutunganiye kugira ngo tubashe gusobanukirwa uburyo bw'imikorere ko cyane no kugira ngo habeho ubufasha bw'indi mikorere myiza ishingiye ku bumenyi. Rero ubumenyi nubwo mbwifuzaho ibiganiro byiza. Hari umugabo hari uvuze ko yubakishije amatafari ko yakinga umuryango ugakingwa, ariko genda shaka nanjye zamwereke yuko inubakwa kandi kanakingwa kandi inzu kabiri.
The companies work in a whole other way than we do. We in Belgium we work efficient. We put stones on a pallet and a truck comes and gets it and puts it on the truck. I think here they put a lot of hand labor in it.
Ibikoresho dukora hano amafaranga araguma mu Rwanda mu maboko y'abanyarwanda mu iterambere ry'abanyarwanda. Ni ikintu gikomeye cyane. Yaba none ibyo dukoresha nkuko mwabibonye mu muhanda ntago ari imashini zavuye mu Butaliyani. Oya na maboko y'abanyarwanda arimo akora bya bintu. Iterambere ry'umunyarwanda rihera hariye. Ayo make abona kayatahana atagiye mu maboko y'ibihugu byo hanze n'iryo terambere ryacu nacyo tugamije ubu urebye cyane.
In Belgium, we have a huge industry in construction, we have huge workers, we have a lot of machines, and sometimes with lesser means here in Kigali or in Rwanda, you achieve the same goals. The industry of bricks is very interesting, but it's the process, how you use compound or the material in your building, in your road, that's different. And how you optimize your process, that's what makes you as a company more profitable or more successful in your job.
What we have seen during the visits to the companies is that the way that the construction sector operates, it's different as we are familiar with in Belgium. So we hope that they can inspire each other. So it's not only the Belgian coaches that are that needs to advise the Rwandan entrepreneurs. No, we also hope that also the Belgian companies, businessmen and women, that they get inspired by what they see over here, the way that it's being done over here.
We say in Belgium always the construction industry is a little bit the engine of the economy in total in a country. And I think it's the same here in Rwanda. Perhaps we are in Europe a little bit faster developed in certain programs, but I see a lot of progress here in this country because I visited it 4 years ago, and when I compare it with 4 years ago and now, it's already completely different. So I think they're on the right track.
So there's a lot of local stakeholders involved, and that makes it of course very interesting, because one aim of the project is also to see how actually principles of circularity can be used by local businesses to make their business more sustainable, and in this way we can contribute to maybe to have the Rwandan government come up with policies that also have been checked on their practicalities, because policy is one thing, but what we also need is to see if it really can work. As a business, can you work with guidelines, can you work with certain standards that have been decided upon by government. So in this way we also hope to actually have a bigger impact on the Rwandan society. These are only 10 companies today, but of course we also hope that in the next couple of months, years, we can add more companies that we can guide to becoming more circular.